Alright, so today I guess we can kind of get this pipe loose here. Take out this chimney stack and get moving with this project. That's not too bad. I came right out. Let's sit this down for a minute. It's a pretty big pipe there. Oh, wow, okay. Let's take a peek inside of there, see what's inside of there. Oh, look at that. And for an old heater, I guess this heater's it's not that bad. Oh, look, the boiler. So that's what gets hot and basically boils the water to pumping up through the radiators. Get some light over here. Let's see what this look like. I guess I can't see down in there too much. So like a radiator within a radiator. Okay. Got that out of there. Oh, got a lot of soot on there. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. Alright, so that's that. I gotta take this thing apart to get it out of here because there's no way I can lift this up. Got my chimney right there. That ain't look like this. It's no. Okay. So this gotta come off today. This gotta come off, and the circulator gotta come off. Unhook the electrical, and I should be good to go to get this thing out of here, or at least move out of the place. This would not budge yesterday, so I'm going to have to heat this up. Do something weird with that. Alright. This may or may not heat it up. Alright, maybe it's hot enough now. What force it's going to take to get this off of here. I'll try to see. It's not budging at all. I'm not sure what to do. That ain't working. I'm gonna get a long pipe or something to put on here. Give it enough pressure. So I'm putting about, I don't know, 200 foot-pounds on there, and that is not working. I have to get a long pipe to put on the end of here to help pull it down, but I don't know where I can get a pipe from that long without having to go buy one. Oh, wait a minute, I got a pipe. Right back. Alright, so I found a 6-foot pipe. This pipe is like 6 feet tall. I'm standing on the floor and this pipe is like right here. So I'm gonna put this pipe on the end of here, like this. Let me show you how long this pipe is. So it's like a long pipe. So hopefully I'm gonna put some weight on that. That's got to be at least 6 feet. Let me zoom in on this thing so you can tell me if it's moving or not. Right there. Let's see if this thing will budge. Here we go. It goes nothing. See if this thing budges. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving. Wow. You see that? I mean, this pipe is like, check out how long this pipe is. Like, so, this pipe is like up here, this cheater pipe. Look how far this pipe go down. Look like that was enough to get that thing to budge. Alright, that's cool. Now I can get this thing off of here. There we go. Now it's working. Great. That's what I want. Alright. Oh snap. All the weight is on this pipe. It's not being supported. Guess it is being supported by this chain here. Good thing this chain was attached to it. Shucks. This chain right here was holding it up when it fell down. I don't know if you can see that. This chain was holding it up. I should have checked that first. This chain was on a pipe, and when I guess I took the weight off of it, that chain was supporting it. Alright, so I gotta keep that in mind, and next time I get some support beams to support this pipe. Guess I didn't see that coming. Well, good thing that chain was there. Alright, well that's that. Anyway, well that's off. I gotta go and get some support, something to support the pipes then, something metal. Well, I got that off. That's good to know. I think I'm gonna put this pipe back on there just to kind of unhook it when I get some support. I didn't think about the fact that these pipes are heavy, and when I unhooked that, it dropped down like, I don't know, about 1 inch. So I'm gonna put it back, get some support for it, then take it back apart again. At least I got it loose anyway. So I think I gotta do is kind of budge this heater over so I can get it back together again. Lift this up. I gotta figure that out. I gotta jack it up a little bit to get those pipes to go back together again, or go and get some support pieces to support the pipe, so it's supported to the ceiling, because you got all this weight hanging down. So basically the heater dropped down a little bit. I'll try to put something underneath there to prop it up, but the heater needs some weight to support it. So what's going to happen is both pipes are going to need to be supported in a minute, because these chains right here is the only thing that's supporting the pipes to the ceiling. So I got to figure out a better method. I might as well taking these fittings off here now, because I'm going to try and salvage them, and I'm going to use them for something else later on, I guess. I'm going to take this coupler. I got to support these pipes. I'm going to raise them up a little bit. Basically, since they fell down yesterday. Not fell down, but they just kind of came lower than what they're supposed to be. Like right in here. That's kind of misaligned right here. So I'm going to support them. It appears to be like this little chain here really holds them up so it don't fall down. So I got these supports I'm going to put up there. Get this thing lined up. I'm going to probably put one here and one back here to raise this up a little bit. hope to be. I treated you unkindly. All the cares you see. There's no one more important. Alright, that probably be it. Let's see if I pull this out. We'll have to wait on it now. Okay, there we go. That's better. Now I'm so much better. And if my words don't come together. Yeah, it's a little better. At least it's holding up right here. Alright. Alright, I gotta get this circulator out of here now. Almost there. I cut the power off already, so there's no power attached to this thing. That's why I took the wires off, so no wires attached. Get this thing out of here. Alright, so that's that. I guess I gotta pry this loose, I guess. Put the big guy on there again. Gotta disconnect that out of there. There's another tight one again. Look, got to get the long pipe on there. Wow. This long pipe to get this thing out of here. Put it on here like this. Give it a good tug. Oh. Okay, there we go. I'm not sure. Let me go a little higher. About right there, maybe. Wow. It's turning. Shucks. That thing was in there. You can see down there. It's turning. Woo. You think with big pipes. Okay. I'll take the bottom loose now. Alright, so I got that loose. Let me pull the bottom off now. This got to come out of here. Look at the top there. I'll show you. So this got to come out of here. Uh-oh. Yeah, so this goes to the, I'm all the way down here. Once that's out, I think I'm all done that. So, I have to get that last little piece out. I'm already disconnected here. And that got to come out, this long one here. Once that circulator gets off here, take the bottom 2 bolts out. The wire's already disconnected already. Pull them out. And that's it. Lift this, take this bad boy out of here. Wasn't that bad on the inside. That's some soot in there. That's where the water gets boiled at. Wow. Disconnect these bottom bolts here. Take the circulator out. Better take this one pipe out. And it's time to go.